All right, so I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your phone, which I find is the best and easiest way to get started. So I am on the login screen, so I'm going to sign up. I actually have an account, but I'm just going to show you what it's like with a brand new account. So signing in. So you're going to just type in your basic info. It's going to ask you when you were born. Push continue. Verify you're a human. We gotta show it that we're human. Oh, it believes me already. Great. So ChatGPT can be inaccurate. Don't share sensitive info. Control your chat history. Great. The official app is free, and you have some initial prompts right here. So you can even just tap one of these to ask it some things. So how to use ChatGPT. And you push that button and it will already show you an answer. Now, this is the free version of ChatGPT. It hasn't charged you anything, but it gives you some really great answers really fast. And you can continue, or you could go back here to ChatGPT and it will give you some new prompts. So you can say, tell me a fun fact about the Roman Empire. No. Now, this version does have some limitations. Can you draw me a picture of a Roman city? I believe we don't have this capability. I can't draw pictures. So if you upgrade, that's how you get the ability to draw. So there's a lot of features. Now it does cost $20 a month, but I would generally recommend you try it for at least 1 month because that's the cost of a somewhat nice lunch, you know, like it's not that much. It's the cost of 2.5 cups of Starbucks these days. And you'll learn so much about what's happening right now for just 20 bucks. Just do it for a month. If you hate it, cancel it. And if you don't hate it and you can really start to see the value of it, then I'd say stick with it because you'll get such better answers that way. But I did want to show you either way. One of the best features here is that you can see these little buttons in the lower, in the right here, chat with voice. So you tap that, you can choose a voice for it to speak with. Let's just say Cove. Hey there. Are you listening to me? Are you hearing me?
Hey, loud and clear. What's on your mind?
Isn't that crazy? So, yeah, I'm just recording a little demo of what people can do with voice conversation with you. It's kind of really cool. Are you tracking what I'm saying? Even though I'm using a little bit of, I don't know, colloquial language, I just said, does that make sense to you?
Absolutely. I'm following along just fine. Colloquial language, ums and all. It's pretty cool to see how voice conversation works, isn't it?
Yeah, totally cool. Could you give me three simple practical uses for voice chat with you and three a little less unorthodox, more creative uses, possibly for business owners, because that's who this demo is for?
Sure thing. Let's start with the practical ones. 1. Customer support. Users can get quick answers to their questions or assistance with troubleshooting via voice
Right?
chat. 2. Task management. Business owners can use voice chat to dictate tasks, set reminders, and manage their schedules hands-free. 3. Collaboration. Teams can use voice chat to discuss projects, share ideas, and brainstorm together in real time.
I'm going to just stop you there. But you can actually read everything that it just said, and it's pretty amazing. Now, the thing is about this, if you start talking, so if I start talking and I take a long pause, it'll actually think I'm done, which is not good if you're not thinking on your feet, right? Like, see it
That's a
just,
good point. Long pauses might make it seem like you're finished speaking, but don't worry. I'll wait for your signal before responding.
so one way around that is you use the microphone button here. So in the lower corner now there's a microphone. Then you can talk as long as you want and take pauses. I wouldn't recommend doing more than 5 minutes. Anything over 5 minutes, you risk losing it. But the thing that's really cool about this is that I can push record right now, right? And it will transcribe what I say, but it will make some mistakes. Kind of like when you're typing into your phone. But what you can do with it is you can tell ChatGPT to correct all of the typos and add a little bit of punctuation. Just keep all my words the same place. So this is a really better way to do dictation. And the applications of that alone are pretty cool, right? But anyway, let me just show you what comes out of this. See, if you read this, some things will be a little bit out of place here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just delete that. Let's do something practical here. I'm going to dictate a list of all the things that I need to do, and I'm going to ask you to prioritize this list of things for me and help me think through what should be done and in what order. Okay, so this is very helpful to me because I am a little bit ADHD and how to say it. Yeah, executive function is something that's a little challenging for me. I can't prioritize stuff easily, basically. So here's a list of things to do. One, I should find my shirt for tomorrow and lay it out so I can get out the door quickly. Two, I need to make sure I pack the HDMI cable in my backpack. They probably have one at the meeting place, but just in case, it's always good to have one. Three, double check and make sure I have my laptop charger. And four, what was four? Oh, I need to make sure I have a physical handout ready, so I should do a little work on that. And that hopefully won't take too long. And five, oh, I delayed the website project. Oh, I should definitely do that website project. The minor update to the real estate website tomorrow afternoon or evening. So that's that. Cool. Could you help me break these tasks down and prioritize? And what's cool is like, wow, this is a mess. Look at that. It's just this big block of words, but if I send it, boom, just like that. That does help. Could you write it out as a table for me? There you go. So this is ChatGPT for mobile. And whenever you want to start a new chat, I would say just tap this button in the corner and you'll start a new conversation. Um, if you don't upgrade to Plus, it doesn't really remember anything from conversation to conversation. So I will often go deeper in one chat and return to past chats here. But and if I want to start a new topic, I start a new chat. One topic, one chat, generally speaking. I mean, you don't have to follow that rule tightly, but that's a good general principle. And that is an introduction to ChatGPT in less than 10 minutes.